Okay, how many people are having trouble using the bathroom? You're backed up, you're having issues. What are you using? What are you trying for you to be able to use the bathroom? Because let me tell you something, it is very important for you to clear your system, and it has a lot to do with your mood swings. So you want to have your digestive system on point so that you can respond in a positive way. You don't want to be angry and sad. So take care of your digestive system. I got a few things that I do to pretty much have my system at ease. I'm able to use the bathroom and not be backed up. Again, I'm going to bring up apple cider vinegar, something that you can use to help with going to the bathroom. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't want to drink it straight, you can add some water and some lemon. That will be a smoother taste for you. Then you want to drink water to help with the process of pushing it out. And another thing that I do, and I don't think anybody has brought this up, do contractions with your gut. So what you want to do is push your gut out and squeeze it in. Push out, squeeze in. Push out, squeeze in. This is going to contract your digestive system. For me, this helps with movement and gets me ready to use the bathroom. I recommend that you try all of these things. Take care of your digestive system. This plays a big part on your mood swings. Let's make sure we focus on that. We're eating healthy, cleaning out our system. Make it a priority. And if you're consistent enough, you will see a dramatic positive change in your mood.